What do you have here, Jabin?
I have a set up.
Oh, you gotta move a little bit slower. You gotta stand. Can you stand in front of your project? Okay, tell me about it, Jabin. Yeah. And what's a sculpture, Jabin?
It's a mountain.
Yeah.
Once we have a mountain.
And what lives in the mountain?
A Kia.
Yeah. Oh, cool. And what else?
And
The two terrace. Okay, and then what else do you have here? Uh-oh. Okay, where does the kiwi live?
In the forest.
In the forest? And is he sleeping or awake?
He's sleeping. That's funny. Tony, I found the lizard. He lost his lizard and then I found it.
Good, good. Jabin, tell me more about your project. What kind of birds do you have on your display board here?
Well, I have a...
up here.
Oh, I have 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And I see a pukeko. Penguin. Do they have penguins in New Zealand?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. What kind of penguins do they have in New Zealand?
Blue are the smallest penguins in the world.
Yeah. And the yellow one. Wow, and what's this bird up here, Jabin?
That's an albatross.
A royal albatross? And is this how big they are, or is this one blown up? There's one by Asher here.
Oh, that one's blown up.
That's huge.
It's supposed to be as big as a 6-year-old.
Oh my goodness.
These are as big as a 3-year-old.
Oh my goodness. Those are huge. And what do you have down here? What's in this glass bowl?
It's a penguin skull of the blue penguin.
Of the blue penguin? Oh man, that is pretty cool. Where did you find that?
In Stewart Island.
In Stewart Island, wow. It sounds like you learned a lot about the birds, eh? All right. Thanks for showing me your project.